welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss dinner recipe, oat soup. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add 4 shallots chopped. Shallots are rich in minerals, vitamins and trace elements. Saute for a minute. Then add half cup of oats. Oats is a very healthy ingredient. It lowers cholesterol levels, very good for your heart health, lowers blood sugar levels and helps in weight loss. Mix it well for a minute in low flame. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped beans. Beans are rich in proteins, antioxidants, reduces the risk of cancer and heart diseases. Mix it well. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped carrots. Carrots are rich in calcium and vitamin A and K. They lower diabetics and strengthen your bones. Mix it well. Then add a tablespoon of sweet corn. Sweet corn are rich in fiber. It aids digestion, reduces risk of heart diseases and strokes. Mix it well. Then to this add a tablespoon of peas. Peas are a good source of vitamin C and E. It helps to reduce inflammation and lowers risk of chronic conditions. Mix it well. Then add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder and quarter teaspoon of ginger powder. Give it a good mix. Then add 3 cups of water. Mix it well. Let's wait until it's nicely boiling. Now it's nicely boiling. Cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. It's been 10 minutes and our oat soup is nice and thick. To this add quarter teaspoon of mixed herbs and quarter teaspoon of crushed pepper. Mix it well and off the flame. Now a healthy weight loss dinner is ready. So try it away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink can boost your immunity. So do try this oat soup at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.